Nowadays, HR people sending show cause notice because of PF overlapping in the current organization. They will give reason for termination as you have done some dual employment while working in the current organization. Honestly speaking, as per organization guideline, okay, currently each and every MNC is following individual guidelines. Okay, but the common rule is you should not do any parallel job or you should not involve any moonlight activities. If you've done any moonlight activities, they will terminate you. Okay? For future organization, there is a wonderful suggestion I am giving to my followers. If you want, you can approach to me. I will try to give best case and worst case suggestion in order to join the new organization. Okay? So please be genuine and don't try to do any dual employment. If you are planning to do the dual employment, please stop that. If you are already involved in PF overlapping, you can approach to me. My email ID available in this video description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.